How to download a dedicated app for Google Voice. Well, hello random YouTube people. Today I'm going to talk to you about Google Voice. If you're like me, you're in a company where we used to use Skype for communication, but now Skype is no longer a thing. So I've switched over to a Google Voice number so I can have a phone number to call and chat with customers. But now I have to have a Google Voice app open in my web browser in order to have the call and receive phone calls. So if I have closed out the window on my web browser and people are trying to call me, I don't ever see anything because I don't have that web browser window open. So I'm going to show you how to download an individual separate app for Google Voice. So you're going to go to google.com, of course, and you're going to log into your account. Then click on this button here to go to the Google Apps. And then we're going to, of course, click on Google Voice. Now this is the page that previously would have to have open in order to receive phone calls or see that anything is coming in. So now, instead of having to have a web browser window open, we're going to download the app. You have to be opened in Google Chrome, by the way. Once we are logged into our Google Voice web page, click on this little icon that shows up to download an app. You can see it says install Google Voice. So let's go ahead and click on it. And then it's going to, of course, confirm if you want to install. Yes, I do. So you can see that's now opened up an app on your computer. So to get a Google Voice, we even have an icon down here in the dock. And so here is our application. Let's go ahead and go full screen with that just so we can see it better. But here it is. It's exactly like we just had it. It's basically a small little web app that's showing my web page that's open here on an app that's in my dock, instead of having to have a web browser open all the time. So let's go back to Chrome here and let's close that window. Actually, it already closed itself. Wonderful. So that's great. So I could completely close Chrome and not have anything else open. But here's my nice little Google Voice app. So what happens if I quit this app? Let's see. So it's no longer in the dock. All right, so let's go reopen that app now. If I do a Spotlight search, Command Spacebar, I can search for Google Voice. Oh, there it is, Google Voice. And then I can open it up right here. And there it opens up in my dock. And so I can have Google Voice open on my computer without having to have it open in a web browser. So that, random YouTube people, is how you can download a dedicated app for Google Voice instead of having to rely on an open internet web browser.
And if this video has helped you out, help me out. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, comment, and most importantly of all,
subscribe.
Subscribe.